and trees stand side by side. The birds sing songs up in the sky, and butterflies gently flutter by. The little feet go hopping through the soft green moss so fresh and new. A rabbit hops, a squirrel plays, a sunlight dances through the days. The leaves above are rustling loud, whispers carried by the cloud. A curious fox with a shiny tail dashes through the woods on a trail. A stream's flowing crystal clear, with little fish that dart and cheer. The frogs croak songs beside the bank, as the forest echoes soft and frank. In the forest there's so much to see, a world of wonder, wild and free. So let's explore with hearts so bright. In the forest everything feels right.